It's spring, and once again, bulb companies are shipping, and I have found some new orchids that are hiding as bulbs. It's from a company that I've ordered before, Van Burgundian, and they had 2 new varieties of Bletilla striata this year. So I got some. The ones that I've gotten in previous years are growing, though only one set has actually bloomed. So you can see I have them in here. So if you remember, a few years ago I ordered Bletilla striata from Van Burgundian, and they came rotted, and though these are the replacements for those rotted bulbs, they're alive, but like I said, only one striata has bloomed. So I got from them this year, and we'll take these out and have a look at them. Though these don't smell rotted. Those other ones, when they arrived and they were rotted, smelled fermenty. So this is Bletilla striata Penway Paris, and I also got Bletilla striata Penway Sunset. So this is supposed to have lavender flowers per stem. And I'll see if I can find a photo online to share. If I can get it out. I think there's only, supposed to have 3 bulbs in this. Pinto, you're not helping. A little bit of mold on it. Smells okay. It looks like this. Here's one. Pinto, there's like shavings all over you now. And then here's another one from that set. Let's see if we can find the third. And Pinto, get away from the phone. Come here, man. Come here. And your tail is covered in sawdust. Come here. Yes. And then here's the third one right here. So these look okay. They arrived. So that's Penway Paris. And then I have another bag with 3 Penway Sunset, which is supposed to have yellow flowers. And so I don't know how many years it's going to take for them to bloom, because like I said, these other ones that I have, so this one I planted in a bark mix, they have not been blooming. I've only had 1 bloom. Let me see if these bulbs look okay. So, oh, and look, it's got green on the side right here, so it already has growth coming out. Yes, they don't smell rotten, so alive. And they're not squishy. So the time that they came and there was something wrong, I would have to assume that time they got frozen in transit or something. But so these all look good. And 1, 2. All right, this is distress. Oh, here we go. Here's the third one. It's tiny. So here's the third one right here. No, Pinto, you can't eat it. Just holding it up so people can see it on the camera. So Penway Sunset and Penway Paris Bletilla striata. Oh, okay, that's the end of this video.